Hi, crypto fans! This is Jason from SA Crypto, and today we are going to be discussing Tether. I am going to show you what the project is all about, how to buy USDT, some of the best wallets to use, and more. Remember to hit that subscribe notification button to get notified when we cover our next whale to the moon coin. Let's get into it. Tether is a blockchain-based stablecoin, which is a digital currency that is anchored to the price of fiat currencies, such as the US dollar, to maintain its value consistently. Unlike most traditional cryptocurrencies that are known for being volatile, Tether tokens were developed by BitFinex, which is a popular crypto exchange platform, and the native tokens are traded under the USDT symbol. As of October 2021, USDT is the fifth largest cryptocurrency based on its market capitalization, and it is worth more than $68 billion. As of August 2021, there are approximately 69.3 billion USDT tokens in existence. Tether was specifically designed to bridge the gap between fiat currencies and cryptocurrencies while guaranteeing stability and minimal transactions fees to its users. So who created Tether? Tether was originally named Real Coin in July 2014 by co-founders Brock Pierce, Reeve Collins, and Craig Sellers as a Santa Monica-based startup. A spokesperson for BitFinex and Tether announced that the CEO of both firms is J.L. van der Velde. In January of 2015, BitFinex enabled trading of Tether on their platform, and now USDT is currently the most traded digital currency in the crypto market, with users trading nearly double that of Bitcoin. What do we like about Tether? Tether is a blockchain-based cryptocurrency that is tied to the US dollar. This means there are actual dollars kept in reserves at financial institutions serving as collateral. And 1 USDT is always valued at 1 USD. USDT prices remain stable, unlike Bitcoin and Ethereum, and the Tether platform is built using open blockchain technologies, leveraging the security and transparency provided to investors. Tether is the most widely integrated digital to fiat currency today, and it can be bought and sold on BitFinex and other major exchanges. Tether's blockchain-enabled technology delivers high-quality security while meeting international compliance standards and regulations. It is quick and easy to swap any cryptocurrency for Tether, while converting a cryptocurrency to cash would take days and cost transaction fees. This ensures liquidity for exchange platforms, creates no-cost exit strategies for investors, and adds flexibility and stability to any investor's portfolio. Additionally, sending Tether anywhere globally is a much cheaper and faster alternative to using traditional banks and financial institutions. Tether can conveniently be used for purchases and daily transactions due to its low volatility and interchangeability, and allows traders to trade crypto in countries where fiat trading is prohibited. While Tether is not necessarily a long-term investment that will grow your money by itself, there are popular international exchanges and wallets that will pay users high interest rates to store USDT on their platforms. Tether is likely to earn more interest than other popular stablecoins, because of its high demand for trading and cryptocurrency loans, which is a great alternative to investing in other cryptocurrencies and hoping to earn a profit of transaction fees. USDT can be bought and sold on most major cryptocurrency exchanges and lending platforms, and most of them will pay anywhere from 6% to 12% in interest just for storing Tether on their platforms. Some of the best wallets that you can use include the Omni wallet, which is a web wallet and is hosted on the Omni blockchain. It combines security, usability, and multi-currency support that is integrated with the Omni layer decentralized crypto exchange. Coinomi is easy to use, and it offers a large currency selection of more than 300 supported cryptos. And after partnering with Shapeshift and Changely, users now have the ability to exchange their cryptocurrencies securely using the Coinomi wallet. Binance offers a platform for trading more than 150 cryptocurrencies, and it provides an API that helps you to integrate other trading applications. You can use a wide range of tools for trading online, and is rated as one of the safest wallets currently available. Tether is useful for crypto investors because it offers a way to avoid the extreme volatility of other cryptocurrencies and removes transaction costs and delays that negatively impact trade execution speeds within the crypto market. Many crypto exchanges have also found Tether valuable because they are able to facilitate crypto-to-crypto transactions and increase the number of trading pairs they offer to their clients. Tether is the cryptocurrency that commands the highest interest rates by far, capping at about 20% and making it a lucrative short-term investment opportunity due to its high returns on interest rates. If you would like to learn more or get involved in the project, be sure to follow the links in the description. And that is our overview of Tether. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave us a comment. Do you want us to research a project or coin? If so, leave the coin or the project name in the comments section, and we might cover it in our next few videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your investments.